Hey guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to insert data in a MySQL table, and in some previous part we have seen how to create a database, create a table and rename a table, and lot more thing we have seen. So this tutorial for beginners, so we will understand some basic queries of insert data in MySQL. So let's log in to our MySQL and insert some data in MySQL table. Okay, so let's log in cmd, and here we need to log in -u for username, and my username is root, and -p for password, and hit enter. So my password is blank, so it enter. So successfully we have logged in. So let's know what is our database name, because we don't know our database name. For that we need to show a list of databases. So databases. So now we have a test database, we have a MySQL tutorial database. Okay, so we will use this test database. So use test db semicolon and hit enter. Okay, and now we need to check a list of tables inside this database. So for that we need to type so tables, 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 and hit enter. So inside we have two tables. First is post underscore table, and the second is a test table. So we'll insert data inside this post table. For that you need to type a very simple query to insert data. So for that we need to type insert like this into, and our table name, table name, and our table name is post table. Okay, so let's remove this one and type our type our table name, and our table name is post table. Okay, and then we need to define some, before to insert the data, first we need to check fields of this table. Okay, so for that dsc description and table name post underscore table semicolon. So now we know this table, post table, have id, title, author, post date. Okay, so we will insert this data, title, author, post data, or post date of something. For that we need to type insert into, and our table name, so we know that our table name is post table, post underscore table, and put this bracket. Okay, let's hit enter, because in a terminal we can also write a query in a multiple line. Okay, so hit enter, and then put this bracket, and inside this bracket we can define id comma title comma author comma post date. Okay, so all the fields id, title, author, and post date, we are typing it here: id, title, author comma post date. Okay, but id is auto incremented, so we don't need to put id, because id is auto incremented. When you insert, it will create id automatically. So title, author, post, title, author, and post date. Then we need to type values. Okay, values, this keyword values, and this will take some parameters like title, author, post date. Okay, for that we need to put like this bracket. Okay, let's hit enter, values, hit enter, and put this bracket, and inside this bracket we can put single quotation, and inside a single quotation we can put our post title, and our post title is my SQL tutorial. My why it's putting capital my SQL tutorial. Okay, and then comma, and the second is author, and author is my name, Rathorji, and the third parameter is, third value is post date. So post date is just, you can type any date like this. Okay, 2020, 2022 of something, and last is semicolon. But MySQL provides very good function for date and time. Okay, so it will automatically gives, put like this, and we have a now function, now function. So now function will return a current date and time, like this 2/10/2021 of something. It will return a current date and time, so we don't need to put a manually your time. We will also understand this function in our future video. I'll make a separate video for this, but for now you can understand this function. This now function will return current date and time. Okay, so let's hit enter. So query has been executed, one row is affected. So let's check this table have a data inserted or not. Okay, so for that we need to type a select query, select all from table name, and table name is post type table, post table. Okay, semicolon, enter. So now we have a one record inside this table, post table, title, author, and post date. Okay, so title is MySQL tutorial, author is Rathorji, and post date is current date, and ID is auto incremented, so it's automatically are taking this ID. Okay, so now we have understood how to insert data in MySQL table. Okay, but the question is, if you have a multiple datas, okay, multiple posts, multiple data, so you can, how you can insert multiple at once? Because this trick, okay, this query is not sufficient. It will take a time to write a query. This is for first time you will write, then again you have to copy and paste, and you have to copy and paste. If you have a multiple datas and if you want to insert in a single query, so how we can do that? This is a big question. Okay, so for that we need to type, the process is same, the method is exactly same, but you have to change a minor thing in a query, so you will be able to insert multiple data. Okay, so let's insert multiple data in this same table, which is post table. Okay, so for that we need to type insert same, like same, insert into, and our table name post table. Okay, and then we need to hit okay, we need to hit enter, and you can write a query in a single line. Okay, no problem, you can type anything it here. Okay, but for understanding I am on a terminal, and you will be understand. For that I am typing in multiple lines. Okay, so post table and hit enter. Now we need to define some table field. So table field is title, title. Second field is author, and for third field is this post date, post underscore date, and put values, make it capital values. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, in a bracket we can put a title. This time title is PHP tutorial. Let me put it capital, PHP tutorial, and author is same, Rathorji, and date, post date is again now function. It will return a current date and time. So the same thing we have seen these things in a previous query, which is here, but the changes is here. Let's put it comma like this, and define another data, another row. Okay, so this time is a Laravel tutorial, put it capital tutorial, and author is again Rathorji, and current date and time, post date is just for now. Let me put it capital now. Okay, one more, and yeah, perfect, and comma, and two rows we are inserting. If you want more, you can again comma and hit enter. Okay, so last one doesn't have a comma. Okay, if you have two rows, first one don't have a first one have a comma, but last one doesn't have a comma, because let's put it semicolon, because you don't want, just want two rows. Okay, to insert. If you want more, you can put comma like this, comma, and then again you can insert your data like this: title, author, post date, and something like. Okay, so let's hit enter. So two queries, two record has been inserted. So let's select query, select all from our table name, and table name is post title, post table, sorry, and hit enter. So guys, you can see first time we have insert a single data, okay, which is this one, and the next time, okay, means after that we have a insert two rows. This is first one, and this is, yeah, this is first one, and this is second one. Let's make it bigger, and this is second one. Okay, and you can see we have a three rows: first one, second, and third rows. So this way we can insert data in a MySQL table. This is pretty easy. If you have any questions and doubt, you can write me a comment, I will help you. And if you like, please give a thumbs up, and please support me to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye, we will see you soon.